Hello, I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna guide you to fix MyFitnessPal app not working. Now to fix this problem, firstly head over to the settings panel and there tap on apps. Again tap on manage apps. Now search for the app and there tap on clear data. And again tap on clear data option. Now head over to the Play Store and there search for MyFitnessPal app. Now update the app if there's any update button on your screen, but if you can see open button instead of update button, then it means you're using latest version of it. Now after doing this, head over to the app and check if this solves your problem or not. Now if this problem didn't solve by first solution, then we need to move on to the second solution. Now for the second solution, remove the app from your device and then reinstall the app. Now to remove the app, tap and hold the app and then tap on remove button. Now once your app get removed from your device, head over to the Play Store and there search for MyFitnessPal and there tap on install button. Now once your app get reinstalled to your device, it should solve your problem as removing and reinstalling the app clear all the bugs or glitch in your app. Now if you're still facing this problem, then the last solution for it is to download old version of it, as this updated version of this app is not compatible to your device. Now if you have downloaded old version of it, it will definitely solve your problem. I hope this video was useful. If it was, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for today and I will see you in my next video.